All right, if you ever thought you were organized, let's put it to the test. Hi, I'm Susan. Let's talk about the move process and kind of the prep process. So when your house is under contract, really the key timelines for packing starts at your closing date as you're moving backwards. So you really want to have an agenda. You really want to be organized in how you move. And let me give you a few tips. First of all, you need to keep in mind how your new house lays out versus your old house. So in your old house, you may be using your dining room for schoolwork, for crafts, for bill writing, for whatever the scenario is. But your new house, you have a bonus room. So make sure you're packing according to your new house, not your old house. It'll make the unpacking process a lot more organized and easy. Also, let's talk about the essentials and making sure that those things are packed together. So if you're going and you're really concentrating on what are you going to use right up to closing, what are you not going to need right away, keeping those boxes organized again will help you in the unpack process. When you're packing your house, make sure you're marking the top of your boxes and one of the sides as well with what is in them. And don't just say kitchen. Say kitchen items that I don't use very often or I just use during the holidays, or kitchen items that I need right away. Make sure that you're keeping yourself on track to making the positive side of the move, the unpacking side of it, as easy as you can. There's a few things that you really want to keep in mind. Recruiting family, friends, co-workers, anybody who says, hey, let me give you a hand, take them up on it. You're going to need it either in the process of packing or unpacking. And I always say, my kids always said, I'll move one more house for you, but after that, we have too much stuff. So let's talk about that too. Make sure that you are decluttering through the process. If you're not going to use it in the new house, don't take it. Donate it, sell it, give it away, whatever you want to do with it, but it's unnecessary for you to pay movers or larger moving trucks if you're doing it on your own, just to move things that you're not going to use. Now, moving day. So think back on the last time you moved, or if you've never moved, moving day can be a little bit stressful, trying to get everything where it goes, how it goes. So if available, to have a babysitter for the kids or the pets, it's a good day to take them up on that as well. Trying to stay focused on getting the things to the rooms that they go to so they're easier to unpack. Try to go that direction. Also, if you do have children, unpacking their rooms first is a real benefit to making them feel comfortable during this move. Remember, it's hard for everybody to absorb how the move is going to go, and it happens like it happens, but getting organized in the beginning can really help you through the process. If you have any questions or need any tips, of course, reach out to us direct. We'll try to help you with that moving date.